Good morning, guys. Right here we're looking at the GFS. This is the GFS from last evening. We're going to look at the upcoming rainfall for this Thursday. It looks to be a pretty substantial rainfall event. No major flooding. There will be some minor flooding. Nothing too significant. And what this is from a low pressure system that's cutting up the Great Lakes region, which is delivering some snowfall for areas out in the plains on the back side of the system. No snowfall we'll have to worry about. As the system heads up over the lakes region here, it's going to drop some rainfall in the southern end of it. As we look here, this is late Wednesday night. Right now the cold front is centered over Ohio, and as you can see it by the rain here. And as we take this further out, this is Thursday morning. I wouldn't be surprised by early Thursday morning, between 2 and 4 in the morning. We'll start to see some showers overspread the area. By mid-morning here, look for a steady rainfall to develop. And this will last for at least, I'd say it's going to be between a 8 to 12 hour period of rainfall. There might be some breaks, but for the most part it's going to be a rainy Thursday. Now I posted on my page the rainfall amounts that the GFS is suggesting. And I think it falls in line pretty well with my thoughts. Anywhere between 1 and 2 inches of rain. There could be isolated areas that get a little bit more. It's always a possibility. Regardless, the system will be out of here by Friday. So if you have any outdoor plans on Friday, just expect some colder weather. No big deal for any type of rainfall. But if in case you missed my post last night, here's the estimated rainfall amounts. Right center over us is anywhere from 1 to 2 inches. Again, see these like really dark oranges? Those are isolated 2-inch plus amounts. Again, it's possible. It's definitely not out of the question. But for the most part, if you take a general idea of this model run here, anywhere from 1 to 2 inches seems to be a good call. Now, what is possibly, depending whether your day is impacted by more so the temperatures or the rainfall, we're going to talk about the temperature drop-off. That's quite significant, and I would say it's even more significant to talk about than the rainfall that's coming. So let's get to that. When we advance this out forward, this is late Thursday night. If from the naked eye, you can even start to see the cold front over western Pennsylvania, between the blues and the yellows. It doesn't take a professional to notice that. You got late Thursday night, we actually might skyrocket to the low 60s. It's not out of the question. But look back in Pittsburgh and Ohio, temperatures are in the 40s and 50s. And that the temperature is only going to go downhill from there. So here's early Friday morning when we're waking up. We've got temperatures in the low 50s. Friday mid-morning, we're now in the low to mid 40s for most of us, and 30s out in western Pennsylvania. Friday's high temperatures will likely be in the mid to upper 40s. It's nothing too terribly cold, but definitely colder than what we've been used to over the past couple weeks here. Now, Saturday and Sunday. Saturday will be similar to Friday. If we advance this forward here, high temperatures should be in the upper 40s, low 50s once again. But Sunday, this is the real cold day that particular run of the GFS is suggesting. As we fast forward this, this is Sunday mid-morning, and it's showing temperatures in the upper 30s, around 40 degrees. But check this out. Instead of the temperatures rising during the day, they're actually falling. So this is Sunday afternoon, and this is suggesting high temperatures, well, quote-unquote high temperatures, to be around the low to mid-30s, and 20s out in western Pennsylvania. So the high temperature on Sunday actually might occur during the morning hours. So if you're looking on the Weather Channel or your local weather app and it says high of 45, don't be surprised to wake up and it's in the 30s. Those apps are automatically updated and it's just computer based, so they'll take the highest temperature that day regardless if it's 1 in the morning or 1 in the afternoon. So these high temperatures might occur overnight while we're sleeping, and by the time we're actually getting out of our houses, it will be in the 30s. So just plan on a really cold Sunday. Monday is not going to be much better. Lows in the 20s, and highs approaching 40 degrees. So this is our first substantial cold shot of the year. Other than that, it's not going to last around too long. Well, up until December, even the first couple weeks of December, it's going to be an up and down type of pattern. We'll get these cold shots, we'll get some warm shots. If we can match up the precipitation with these cold shots, there's always that possibility of some snowfall. And in fact, over this weekend, there is a chance for some snow showers, more specifically in northwestern Pennsylvania. I'll talk about that more as we get closer so we can really pinpoint any possible accumulation amounts and who sees what and how likely it is. So I'll keep you guys updated with that. Other than that, there's not much more to talk about. I'll keep you posted. I hope you guys have a good one.